guys, what's up? In today's video we are talking about management skills. But before getting started, I do want to tell you that I have a guidebook. There is a guidebook, whole guidebook of management, as well as some separate chapters. So if you want to get them, they will be linked in the description box. Make sure to get it because these are really good guidebooks and you won't be disappointed. There are 3 management skills which were proposed by Robert, and those are technical skills, human skills, and conceptual skills. Technical skills are knowledge and skills related to the job. They are very important for the first line managers because they are the ones who are actively looking after the employees who are working in the production or service of the organization. They are involved in the production and service of the organization. They are involved in the process of production or services. Next are human skills. Human skills are your ability to work with people, either in a team or as an individual. Human skills are required by all the managers. Why? Because managers are basically managing people. They have to know how they should get through them and how they should communicate with them and how they should make them understand their point of view or listen to their point of view as well. Next is conceptual skills. These are mostly required for the top management. It is the ability to think and to conceptualize about abstract and complex situations. It involves bringing innovative solutions to the complex situations. It may also involve predicting the future or understanding the direction that your organization should go on and making decisions for that. That's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to get the guidebook, and yeah, do subscribe, share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!